the cloud that was afraid of rain. This cloud had one problem. It was terrified of raining. Puffy was the fluffiest cloud in the sky. But he had a secret. He was scared of raining. What if kids run inside? What if no one likes me? He worried. One day, the sun said, "Rain doesn't make you scary. It makes flowers grow." Puffy gathered courage and dropped his first tiny raindrop. Then more. Then many. And below him, flowers bloomed everywhere. Moral: Sparkles, sometimes what scares you helps the world grow.